So now we'll go to our component and create the shape method. So what to do is we'll inject this service over here in the constructor. So what is that service which we wanted to inject is, let's say private stu service, let's say stu service comma student service. Okay, so we have injected a student service, and then now we'll call this service over here. This dot stu, no, why it is not coming? Okay, we'll see something went wrong. No, yes, of course it went wrong. Okay, this dot stu service dot insert student will call, and insert student is expecting this dot input student form. Okay, will what we'll do, will subscribe that response. Okay, on the subscribe will, what we will do is we'll take the result and we'll say result tending to what. Yes, so this is subscribe part, and result tending to what, we'll create one variable over here. Let's say temporary response we want to hold. Global response is type of any. Okay, so this global response I can use over here in the subscription. This dot global response is equal to what, result we will assign. Okay, so result is here in this context, and we will assign this. Okay, now we'll write second section, which is what, error, and control Z. Why it is coming like this, error? Yeah, I'm asking this one, and error tending to, will create one block for error. Okay, and we'll create another block for success part. So success part would be something like this. Okay, so here you go. All right, and here what we can do is we can say the console.log, console.log, and what we will log is error.message. Okay, and we'll say console.log error, and why it is giving like this. Okay, so now it should go away. Okay, all right, so yeah, it is compiled successfully, but I don't know why it is giving like that. And in this, if it comes to success part, we have initialized this object, and we'll put this success message as well. So on the save here as well I can put. Okay, let's see. So this dot toast message dot message is equal to, let's say error dot message will give over here if it is like this. Okay, from copy quickly. We'll do this and title. As we say, we said error south, and then we will say this dot toaster service we have already injected. Toaster service dot error, and in this we will inject this dot toaster options. So how it works is we need to create the injector, install toaster service, supply the messages, and it will give you the toaster message to you. And here in the success section we'll say something like this. No, so here we'll say success message. So we'll say record inserted successfully. Okay, and we'll show this particular message. We'll reset the form as well. Let's do it now. This dot insert form dot reset. So here we are done with that part. Okay, cool. So we are able to call this method. Okay, and we are able to do that. So let's see, let's go and create other method as well immediately. So this is insert method, and insert method is giving some error. Okay, so let us go and create other method as well in the service. Let me copy this part quickly. So we are in this, we will done with this angular part. We'll starting other part as well, and insert update, and then delete, and we'll do the get as well over here. So second after that it is get all students, get all students. Okay, so let me say get all student, it doesn't need any parameter, and we will just call the get, not get. Okay, and it even doesn't need this type. Okay, so we have corrected the get student update. It is needed one parameter id colon number, let's say number, and student as this. So id we will pass over here, the API URL will correct it, and we'll say id, and student will pass for update. For delete it just need a id which would be a number. Okay, so delete also we completed, and we'll pass that id over here as this. So it will go, it will take the id and hit my http service. Okay, so we have to say delete, delete, delete. Okay, so we have created all of the method, and this we have to say put, this is put. All right, this, so these are the method which has been created. Let me go to app component ts as well, and we'll just copy these method and we'll call respective things. Okay, so save. Let's say this is for update, and we'll correct it, update. Let's say one more for delete, delete. Okay, all right.